Today we're going to show you how to get an authorization signature with the 360 device in the Baymaster software. So from the main screen, you want to click into a ticket that you need to get an authorization signature for. Go up to Signature at the top. From here along the top, it'll show all the different options that you can get the authorization for. Then you want to go down and choose Swiper. You can choose which terminal you want to use if you have more than one, and then just click Get Signature. This will then light up the credit card terminal for the customer to sign. Once the customer has signed, this will show up back in the software, and then you just click Save. Then this will show up on the estimate or whatever you had the authorization for, and you can do a preview or print it for the customer. And the signature shows up right there. Thanks for watching.